One of the best asset protection companies for real estate investors is the Series LLC. It's been around since 1996, originally started in Delaware, but it's spread through a number of states now that will allow you to form the Series LLC in their state and use that company in any state. The Series LLC is much like a parent-child type of relationship. You have one Series LLC. This is the one company name, such as Worldwide Investments LLC, for example, that will actually be filed in the state of Texas. And that will have its certificate of formation and all of those formal documents which certify that as a legitimate LLC in the home state. Series LLC has special provisions inside of the formation as well as operating agreement, which gives it this ability to have children, as many children as it would like, in fact. Each child is known as its series. So it'll have Series A, Series B, etc. You have unlimited series from the Series LLC. That's advantageous because each series is treated for liability purposes just as if it were its own limited liability company. That means that if you have a property, a single property that's held by Series A, which is what I recommend, we should be compartmentalizing our assets as investors, because what we want is if there's a lawsuit regarding Series A, it doesn't affect Series B, Series C, D, etc. for every asset that we have. In this instance, it works much like a single purpose LLC. Series LLC is also advantageous because what allows is one EIN number that's filed underneath this company name. That allows us to streamline our tax preparation so that we're not having to do individual company filings. Now, there's some apprehension in the industry regarding whether a Series LLC would be recognized in a state that doesn't formally have a law on its books that allows you to create it there. I personally believe that there's good reasons to think that the growing trend nationally is that these companies will be recognized if they're ever challenged. There's not a lot of case law on that fact though, but there's a lot of good reasons and precedent that we typically do recognize a company formed in Texas that would be operating, say, in Idaho. Idaho will recognize a Texas company. These are LLCs, just like any other LLC, just with one small caveat, that it can create series. But for the more conservative investor that has any apprehensions about that, I would recommend using a traditional, single-purpose, limited liability company for each property. However, with that, you will have to pay for it. You have to pay for the tax preparation for each one of those companies at the end of the year. You're going to have to pay for the formation of those companies, operation, management, and registered agent of those companies, which can be hundreds of dollars per year. And you're going to have to pay with the overall complications and operations of those companies. So you have to weigh your odds and weigh how you feel about the Series LLC versus the single-purpose limited liability company. But my opinion is that the Series LLC is the way to go. My name is Scott Royal Smith with Royal Legal Solutions. I'm an asset protection attorney specializing in real estate, and I'd like to help you.